On.
The Statue of Liberty is on an island. The department store is on 3rd Avenue. The Empire State Building is on 34th Street.
Use on plus street name or on plus avenue name. St. Patrick's Cathedral is on 5th Avenue.
Radio City is on 50th Street. Radio City is on 50th Street.
On the corner of. On the corner.
Na esquina.
The bus stop is on the corner. The department store is on the corner of 3rd Avenue and Market Street.
When you mention the names of the streets or avenues, use on the corner of and. Now let's see 3 stores that use corner on their names. They are all in New York City. Corner Eats. This restaurant is on the corner. The name of the restaurant is based on its location. It's on the corner of 9th Avenue and 33rd Street.
The corner bookstore is on the corner of Madison Avenue and 93rd Street. Corner Cafe. It's on the corner of 6th Avenue and 24th Street.
Now let's see one example, across the ocean. Across the ocean. Do outro lado do oceano. Now let's see one example, across the ocean, in England. The cafe on the corner. It's on the corner of Hamilton Road and Promenade Avenue.
Now let's go across the ocean again. Back to the USA.
Across. From. Across.
Do outro lado.
Across from.
De frente.
The shop is across from the theater. The park is across from the school. Trump International Hotel is across from Central Park.
St. Patrick's Cathedral is across from Rockefeller Center. The Halloween store is on the corner, across from McDonald's. The Halloween store is on the corner, across from McDonald's.
Let's go across the ocean again, to England, City of London. The Tower Bridge is across from the London Bridge. The Shard Building is across from the Elizabeth Tower. Next to. Do lado.
The Houses of the Parliament are next to the Elizabeth Tower.
Let's go across the ocean. Back to the USA. The New York Public Library is next to Bryant Park.
Bank of America is next to the A&M store.
The pharmacy is next to the bookstore.
The bank is next to the park. Between. Between.
Entre. The bank is between the post office and the restaurant.
Forever 21 store is between Disney store and US Polo store.
Let's go across the ocean to London again.
I'm going to show you my favorite bar there. It's a bar with a lot of games, including mini golf, escape rooms, and table games. Boom Battle Bar is between a clothing store and a candy store.
The bar has 2 floors and a lot of games. This bar is on Oxford Street, a very important street in London. I'm going to show one more place on Oxford Street.
Selfridges is a very big department store. It uses a whole block. Whole.
Inteiro.
Block.
Quarteirão.
Whole block.
Quarteirão inteiro.
It's between Duke Street and A40 Road.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me